Hello. There you go.
The baby goose is so cute.
Hi.
Even though they're bigger now, they're like still really fluffy.
Yeah.
He's fighting. Oh my gosh, he's angry.
Whoa. He's saying get lost.
That's enough. That's enough.
He's fighting everyone.
What's wrong with you today?
Here you go. Oh, it's just a little baby. It's okay.
No. Oh my gosh. Brave baby. Oh. That sound.
Yeah. Oh, she's saying come on now.
Oh.
Oh, puppy.
Look.
Here you go.
Wait, what did you say it was called when they changed the feathers?
Oh, excuse me,
that's
sorry. The twilight plumage.
Twilight plumage.
Yes,
That's
I think.
so cute.
You can see some of the male feathers underneath the female feathers as well. Like the greenish looking ones.
And that's why his beak is yellow.
Yeah. That's the biggest giveaway.
He's dressing up. Oh my gosh. Seagulls are so mean. Look at them.
They're so cute.
There's so many. They're all lined up. Hi, baby ducks. Baby ones. Baby ones. There's one sunshine colour and the rest are like... What's like a nice thing that's brown?
A nice, wood?
Yeah, sure. Wood colour.
Oh. They went under the branch. It's like recreational.
They're so cute. Careful not to feed them now because you might stress the mum out if loads of ducks are coming over. Oh.